My honorable teachers and my dear friends, first of all, great morning to all of you. Myself Vansh, and today I am going to explain the trade day. The agitated topic has taken from internal trade, so I am going to explain firstly internal trade. The internal trade is made by two words, internal plus trade. Trade refers to buying and selling of goods for earning profit. And internal anything which it has certain limits. So assume this is our nation and the trade which is done in our nation boundaries, it is called internal trade. And the trade which is done outside the nation boundaries, it is called international trade. Is that clear? The trade which is done in our nation boundaries, it is called internal trade. Internal trade is done. Now we are going to learn types of internal trade. First of all, first is wholesale trade, and second one is retail trade. In wholesale trade refers to it is made by wholesalers, and the wholesalers purchase goods from producer and sell those goods to retailer. And now I am going to explain retail trade. Retail trade is those trade which are made by retailers, and the retailers purchase goods from wholesaler and sell those goods to consumer. Now retail trade, it is supply chain. Supply chain means it will reduce the way between producer and consumer. Now I am going to explain types of retail trade. First is itinerant retailers. It is of 5 types: peddlers, hawkers, and market traders, tea traders, and cheapjackers. Itinerant retailers. Itinerant retailers are traders who do not have fixed place to operate their business. They have not fixed place to sell their goods, and they move one place to another place to sell their goods. They do many efforts, and they need small capital to operate their business. And we will usually find those in our streets, areas, etc. And they sell daily use items. Now we are the types of itinerant retailers. First is peddlers. These retailers carry their goods product on their head or back from one door to another in street for selling their goods. They carry their goods on their heads to sell, and we usually found on our streets. They sell vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. About the hawkers. These are the smallest unit of the itinerant retailers, and they play very important role in our daily life. And these are the people who carry their goods on back of animal or on wheel cars from one street to another street for selling their goods. And they are very similar to peddlers, and they also sold vegetables, fruits, and artificial jewelry, etc. They have too many efforts to sell their goods. They shout loudly for selling their goods. Now we will learn about the market traders. Now I am going to explain market traders. Market traders are the small traders who open their shops at different places on fixed day or dates. They are also known as weekly market. I am going to explain market traders. These are the types of itinerant retailers, and the market traders are the small traders who open their shops at different places on fixed day. You know very well that on Delhi there is a special market on Wednesday and in Panipat on Sunday. And the market traders are also known as weekly market. and we get the goods there in very cheap price. Now I am going to explain street traders. These traders are also called pavement vendors, and these people are found in places where huge floating population gathers. They sell their goods on roadsides, footpath, etc. We don't need so many time to buy goods, and these we usually found those traders on the railway station where people's gathering are there. And now I am going to explain cheap jacks. Cheap jacks are factory bearers who have independent shop of a temporary nature in a business locality. These are traders who change their plates when they have more earning opportunities, and they keep changing their business from one place to another place, and they sell shows on special occasion. When the special occasion ended, their shops are also vanished. That is my topic today. I hope you enjoy my lecture.